𝔸𝕤𝕤𝕤𝕐 is telling us that our awareness of our past is very essential to the establishment of our presence and the future through our identities as Africans. This quote from 𝔸𝕤𝕤𝕤𝕤, it is now very, very important right now. President Museveni is calling for Africans to resist bad foreign policies like homosexuality, and also growing numbers like Patrick Lumumba are also calling for this. But also there are those who claim that they are Pan-Africanists, like the guy of EAF, Julius Malema. These are lost identities, actually nothing like Africa in the brain. So what 𝔸𝕤𝕤𝕤𝕤 is telling us that we need to know our past before we can accept any other thing for the future and the present. We need to remember the slave trade. What happened during the slave trade? How were we treated? Was it really true that our people sold our people intentionally? No. They say until the lions find their own historians, the ant story will always glorify the hunter. With this reason, I must state this clearly that Africans did not sell their fellow into slavery. The foreigners the colonialists used the guns to do it and dropped away. Then they wrote it in history. So now, the major point is, let's not accept the bad policies. Let's rethink as we bring the technology, the culture, and other latest trends. Let's not forget about our past so that we compose into good one. The bad things in the past we leave it, like some other bad cultures, like throwing away the twins. Things like maybe inheriting somebody's wife, monogamy, polygamy, circumcision of women. Let's forget it. But things which are right and we know it is our value, we should make it paramount. Thank you very much, 𝔸𝕤𝕤𝕤𝕤, and a big thanks for you watching this video. I appreciate it a lot. You've been with me, 𝔼𝕒𝕤𝕤𝕤. As I wait to meet you in my next video, please comment, like, and share the video. And also don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And you can follow on Pinterest, Facebook, and check the website regularly, www.𝔸𝕤𝕤𝕤𝕤.site. Thank you. Bye-bye. Hi folks, on my right hand side is a subscribe button. Please hit it and subscribe. Then on the left hand side down is the latest videos, and then up is a video recommended for you. Please thank you for watching this channel. Down on the link there is the website www.𝔸𝕤𝕤𝕤𝕤.site.